Happy Teachers Day.
We come together.
And you're all right. Happy Teachers Day. Come together, everything's okay. Yes, to all my reggae jammers right now on the onespotmedia.com all across the world. One, big up yourself. Yeah. Everybody say scoop, scoop.
You know, I feel like you brownie there this morning. Very seriously. Something is a bit of
Delia, let's talk to the teachers. You're
Let's
a teacher.
talk to the teachers, my darling. Yes.
Why won't you come on and do that Zoom interview with me for my social media? I've been asking you forever and you just keep declining my call. I want to tell the people about what you do as a teacher, an actress, a writer. I want to tell the people about you. I make a teaching online in a my Zoom call and you keep declining my call. Why?
I wonder if I saw the police feel when our neighbor called him about the Aki.
Yo, listen, everybody's a teacher. That's my thought of the day. But happy Teachers Day today to all the teachers all over the world. In these challenging times, we have to truly recognize and appreciate how our nation's educators play such a pivotal role in our children's lives. We thank you. So how do we thank our teachers? For their immense work and the positive impact that they continue to make while physical distancing.
Yeah.
We've got you covered with these fun and thoughtful ideas. Let's go.
All right. So here's one of the first things that you can do, and it's really cool. You can have your child color a picture for their teacher in appreciation of their awesomeness.
Oh,
yes.
awesomeness.
It can be an apple, a mango, a tambourine, a guinea. Yeah, color some fruit. Color some your teacher's favorite fruit.
Yeah. Ask them though, because they might be like, I don't like that fruit.
Yeah.
Take a picture of your child learning from home and send it to their teacher.
I don't know about that one.
What? I have some pictures.
Especially if I some picnic will get trouble. I don't know if the teacher want a picture. I'm joking.
I know. Right.
Teacher said.
I just hear my son's teacher online asking him, "Where are you? Yeah, do you have the book in front of you?"
Oh, poor
Because she can see them on the Zoom.
Yeah.
And you know, children get very distracted.
Yeah.
I want to thank my son's teacher, Mr. Souza, right now. I want to thank you for making a really big effort to manage so many children online. Bless you. Thank you. All right, other tips now.
Next thing you can do is have your child write a poem for their teacher and what they've learned this year and why they're thankful to be in their teacher's class.
Send your teacher a virtual gift card to thank them for all they do.
Yes, make a video about why your child and family are thankful for your teacher and then send it to the teacher.
Send a personal e-card to honor your teacher and their hard work, especially now as you learn at home.
Write an email to your child's teacher expressing your gratitude for all they've done this year, especially while adapting to remote teaching and learning. And since someone start teach on the children, want to understand what the teachers have been going through. So thank them, because guess what? Them are going to get them back.
Delia.
Soon.
Truth.
Yes.
That's why I said reopen the school then quick, please, Minister. Get on TikTok and show your teacher and show your teachers how you and your family are learning together during COVID-19. Get creative with it. You can sing Montel Jordan's hit song, This Is How We Do It. This is how we do it.
No, man, we're Jamaican picnic. We have to sing Jamaican song.
You know, I was just about to say,
we have to sing Jamaican song.
Yeah, which one are we going to do? But make sure you use always learning in your post.
Yeah. Go on with it. Go on with it. Toast. Hey. Yes.
Gratitude is
I said smile, girl, smile. We can find things, man. We can find things.
Yeah, we'll find
Jamaican things.
Only per song we have in the catalog. Next one, sing a thank you song and post it to celebrate teachers and make up your own lyrics using your teacher's name.
Nice.
Finally, I love this one.
Throw a Zoom party for your teachers.
These are fun.
Yeah, and don't make the party boring. Don't Zoom the teacher and then when she come, you say, Miss, while you're here, the question you gave the child, I said, don't do it. Don't do it.
What should a Zoom?
It's a Zoom party.
But you know, I find this is reverence that you give teachers, right?
Yeah.
So I've always found with my son's teachers, like, I'm kind of afraid of them. Like I'm afraid of my son's
It's
teacher.
respect.
It's a different kind of
respect for
And the
teachers.
principals, that when you see them, you kind of like
Pull up yourself.
You know, I'm a little bit of a rebel.
Yes.
So when I see them, I kind of feel like they have me under control to like.
Even when I see my
toe the
teachers from
line.
school now.
Yes.
You're respectful to your
It's a
teachers.
different thing.
Yeah.
It's
Some of them
different.
me not make people know my teachers because them look very young. Me don't know what go on. Like me see them and me say, okay, miss,
Yeah.
please don't tell them you were my teacher.
You know?
Because it not look right. It not look right.
You know, I have a new thing.
Like
Jayla.
hard years, the hard life lick me and you now. No, it not look
No,
right.
Delia, you've been looking good lately. I don't. I don't know what she's doing for a woman over 80. You look good. Something not going for you. What is it? What you drink? Something not going. What your granny give you? What your mother give you? You know, share a secret, so you're wicked. Watch out, watch out. Hold the shot, hold the shot, hold the shot. See it there? Hey, hey. No, somebody did say to me, boy, Delia, I said, I don't know. What should I do? I said, I really don't know. She hasn't told me the secret. What?
I can't you not used to me, man. I can't you not used to me.
Eh?
Because you're not used to me. We bump into each other, but now that you see me every Wednesday,
Yeah.
you say, Delia.
Yeah, because I don't know. Or Neville jeans.
Maybe. Never always turn on that chair. You look like something.
I know, something to rub. Something to cheer them. Something to cheer them.
Something I rub off of the
I
chair.
saw your comment on Friday
Yes.
saying how he looked so young.
Yes,
His
yes.
message to the
And
front
take on the
line
house colour.
workers. Yeah. He
The
does
foot
look
them, Neville. The foot them. If I even the ankle, push it out. Push it
out the window.
My little son. when you're asleep, put up the foot on the windowsill and make little son touch the ankle.
Yeah.
No, brother. No, brother.
Snow White
Foot the white
foot.
man.
Oh, God.
Foot the white. You never know you're a man with lotion your skin all the time.
Yeah.
What I think is that is the problem.
Yeah.
But you know,
Need some
brother.
sun.
Get some
Get
sun.
out of the house. And that's for everybody. You know, if you feel like you're locked up, cooped up in the house, get out. Push your foot out the window. That's what you need to do. Anyway, talking about aging, Delia, I've said to people, don't ask me about my life before, my new thing. 10 years at a time. If you ask me anything before that, I'm not answering. You know why?
Why?
People are trying to find out my age. So tell me, what year did you leave high school? You're out of order. You're out of order. I look and feel as you see me, and we'll. I'm very proud of my age, but I know your business. No, cause you ask too much now. No, I like the guessing game. Listen.
Only Steven needs to know Empress's age, by the way.
All him don't know.
Him don't know?
Oh, God. Good morning, baby. Anyway, my people, we're going to take a break.
We need one. We need to let the break. Coming up, get elders trained, GET. Stay with us.